Hi, little heroes! Zoey is flying down from the clouds, singing, shining, and hunting demons in mid-air. She's not just a pop star. She's a hero with a mission. Let's draw this epic moment together. Let's watch closely how I move my pencil while shaping Zoey's face. You can follow along. And now we've finished Zoey's amazing pose. Next, let's draw the surprised face of the demon she's about to defeat. This will be so fun! Get ready for action! Now it's time to color. I'll be using marker pens, but you can color with anything you like. Zoey has just faced a fierce demon, and now it's your turn to bring this scene to life with colors. Make the magic glow, the shadows dance, and let your imagination fly. When coloring, it's a good idea to start with the background behind your character. Then you can add all the other colors and little details to make your drawing come alive. I hope you had as much fun drawing and coloring with me as I did. If you enjoyed it, tapping the like button would make me super happy. Want to see more characters? Head to my channel and explore. Subscribe so you don't miss the next hero. Bye-bye!